Home Remedies presents How to disinfect your toilet with garlic clove. Garlic in your toilet. How does this sound like? Have you ever heard about the trick of putting garlic in the toilet? Okay, this is why it works. Garlic contains a substance called allicin, which gives off the strong garlic scent. But not only that, it also protects you against bacteria and it keeps fungi at bay, even in places where fungi often flourish, like in your toilet. To clean the toilet, people find very strong chemicals that are often harmful to the health. To do it in a more natural way, in today's video I will show you a trick which will assist you keep your bathroom clean using garlic. How to do it? This trick is very simple and it actually works. All you have to do is put a clove of peeled garlic in your toilet. It is best to do this at night when you use the toilet less often. Simply flush your toilet in the morning. If you do this twice a week, the garlic with its antimicrobial and antifungal powers will help keep your toilet mold-free and will disinfect it. However, make sure to keep cleaning your toilet the way you usually do. Another good choice to disinfect the restroom and one that brings quick results is using garlic tea. This is how you can do it. Boil 1 cup of water in a pan. Once it starts boiling, cut 3 garlic cloves in small pieces and put it within the water. Turn off the heat, close the pan, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then pour the tea inside your toilet. Just like the primary tip, it's better if you are doing it just before getting to bed, when the toilet are going to be used less. These two tricks are the fastest way of disinfecting your toilet and getting rid of harmful bacteria in a natural way. And it also eliminates those yellow spots around the toilet. Try it out for yourself and share your comments. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.